Each NSSA safe room producer must have a quality assurance plan. The safe room design must be performed by a registered engineer according to NSSA ICC 500, FEMA 320, and FEMA 361. An installation checklist is developed by the safe room manufacturer and the design engineer of record. Once these design steps are complete, both the shelter design and the installation checklist must be reviewed and affirmed by an approved third-party engineer. The third-party engineer must submit their qualifications demonstrating their knowledge of the components of safe room design to become approved by the NSSA Board of Directors prior to completing this work. This installation video was prepared to demonstrate the steps used by NSSA producer and installer members to ensure that the safe rooms are properly installed. This is not a typical installation of this type of shelter. The panelized shelter is normally a modular installation for use in areas with restricted access. This shelter had been set up for a display and is being delivered in an assembled fashion. Got the installation complete, and we went through and filled out the certificate of installation with the seal number. And how do you feel about your storm shelter today?
I'm excited to have it here. I know we'll be safe when another storm comes through.
Do you have any questions?
No, I think you've already answered them all.
Okay, well, we appreciate it, so we'll fill this out, and then once we get this registered, then we'll send you a copy, so you'll have a copy for your records.
Okay.
You'll see that the GPS coordinates here were recorded. That's privileged information, but when you get a copy back, if you care to share that with your local emergency management people, you sure can do that. We won't divulge the information, but if you'd like to share that with somebody that does, the fire department or whoever that might be, that's your choice.
Okay, that's to let them know if another tornado comes through, they come and look for us.
They would know where to look. So
excellent idea.
That's up to you, and we always suggest that before you get into your shelter that you call somebody in a different area and let them know that you have a storm coming and you're getting into your shelter.
Okay.
And then call them when you get back out, and that will keep everybody in the communication loop and let everybody know that you're safe. So
it's a good idea. Good idea too. I wouldn't have thought about doing that.
The safe room installation is now complete. The installer ensures that the customer is familiar with all features of the safe room and is notified that they will receive an original copy of the installation certificate, installation checklist, and invoice in the mail. This documented process was developed to assure all parties involved that the safe room is properly installed every time.